Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from Asteria Hair. This is everything that they sent over in the packaging. Some lashes, wig cap, some bands, just a whole bunch of goodies. And this is the wig that I'm reviewing today. This is the Afro Kinky Curly Wear and Go wig. It is super full and it just is really nice. So this is how it looks straight out of the package. I didn't do anything to it. Look at these knots, y'all. Y'all could tell they bleached these knots. Like when you see like that brown on the lace, you know that they bleached the knots good, and they didn't over bleach them. As a clip in the back, a clip in the middle, and I believe 2 clips on the side. So now I am tinting the lace. I'm using my Even Lace tinting spray. They already did a good job bleaching knots, but I still like for the lace to match my skin tone. So that's pretty much all I'm gonna do to customize the wig, because like I said, it's already pre-cut, so I don't have to worry about that, and it's pre-bleached and it's pre-plucked, y'all. When I put this wig on, it looks so good. Like, I don't know, the technology, these people in these wigs, the technology is getting better and better and better. So I was just tightening up the elastic band. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like on my arm before I put it on my hair. I just put on a black wig cap that looks the best for me, and then I'm just tightening the elastic band, and then I'm just putting it in place. Like I said, this is the wig straight out the pack, so of course we're gonna customize it. We're going to style it. You have to style your wigs, you guys. You can't just plop on the wigs and like it's a wear and go wig, but you still gotta do a little styling, you know. So I'm just going to use my wax stick so that I can define like the parting area, and I want to make sure all of the hair like around the hairline is going to the back. So I decided to do like a no baby hair look, because it was just looking so natural. I was like, I wanted to just look like it's coming out of my scalp. So I'm just hot combing it, especially that middle part, and then just like all around the side, so it can just be really smooth and it can look like it's just coming out of my scalp. And then I am just defining my part. I'm doing like a C part, and then I'm going to go in with my concealer color and define that part area as well. Now I'm just going to cut some very, very light layers only in the very front. Like that's pretty much all I did, because I just wanted to shape my hair just a little, well, shape my face just a little bit. And now we are going to add some water. Y'all know I like to add water because the curls have to pop. So I'm adding water, and I'm detangling with my wide tooth comb. Okay, now that all my hair is detangled, I'm using my Cream of Nature Argan Oil leave-in conditioner spray, and I'm just spraying it. My spray bottle kind of sucks, so I'm just spraying it in my hand and then rubbing it over my hair. Y'all see that I'm struggling because I'm trying not to mess up my shirt too much, but it's already messed up. But like once it dried, you couldn't even tell. But yeah, after I put in my leave-in conditioner, I'm gonna add a little bit of mousse, because I want the curls to be, you know, stay in place and to be really, really defined. So I'm just adding the mousse and then like clasping my hands together like in a kind of a clap, and smoothing the mousse into the hair like that. Okay, y'all, so check out my wet shirt. So this is what the hair looks like when it's wet. I'm just showing you guys. Look at the hairline already. Oh my gosh. So this is actually like 30 minutes later. I was letting my hair air dry, and y'all know I'm not the most patient person in the world, so I came back to do the rest of the drying, and I'm drying my hair, blow drying it on low. I don't want to do it hot because I don't want to mess up the curls or manipulate the curls that much. And as you can see, when I blow dry, I don't move the hair around too much, because I don't want the hair to be puffy. When you manipulate your curly hair too much, it's going to be puffy, and you don't want that. You don't want it to be frizzy or anything. You just want it to look nice and full, but not frizzy. So this hair is 14 inches. It is a 4x7 lace closure wig. Like I said earlier, it's a pre-cut wig and the texture is kinky curly. This hair texture is absolutely beautiful and I think it could definitely pass for my natural hair. I love the fact that it is a full wig, so I don't have to worry about blending my hair or anything like that. And I love just how good it looks like the hairline. Look at the hairline. It looks so good. And yes, this wig is completely glueless. You cannot tell. Like, I lift it up, I put it down, and it looks good. It looks very, very good. So I didn't even have to do anything. You don't have to worry about glue. You don't have to worry about any of that stuff, blending or anything. And look at the cut of it, the curls of it. It just looks really natural, really pretty. And I wore it to work a couple days and I got a ton of compliments. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this wig. Like I said, it is from Asteria Hair. Thank you so much, Asteria Hair, for sponsoring this video. You guys check below in the description because I believe there is some type of sale going on, so just check to make sure. So as always, I love you guys and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't stop on the train.